Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at the first out of 3 of Avengers 60th Heroclix fan packs. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix Avengers 60th Anniversary Play at Home Kit 1 out of 3, and you can see it's Captain America. Okay, so we call it PAHK for short, the Play at Home Kit in terms of acronym. And by the way, this is of course products from WizKids. Okay, so you can see in front the 3 Avengers featured in the Play at Home kits. We have Iron Man, Hulk, and what we're going to look for this video, Captain America. So there is a window for you to see what you're gonna get in terms of the figure in the Play at Home kit. And at the back, we see a short description of the pack. Okay, so celebrate the Avengers 60th anniversary with an exciting new Play at Home kit release. Play at Home kits are a great way for players to get an awesome new character and map, along with all new terrain markers to match the Avengers 60th anniversary set. Bring the legacy of both Avengers and Heroclix to your table with this new Captain America figure and legacy card. So you can already guess that there's a bunch of goodies inside this particular Play at Home kit. Aside from the figure, we have the map, we have the terrains, and we have a legacy card waiting for us. Okay, but before we crack this, let's take a look at one fun fact about Avengers. So this particular card is included randomly in boosters when you buy the brick or the case. Okay, and this is 1970s Avengers Through the Ages, featuring Captain America with notable appearance on Avengers number 11, 1972. So by the 1970s, the Avengers storyline had gained significant popularity and Captain America was a fixture among the ranks. The powerful team fought in the infamous intergalactic Kree-Skrull War. Another highlight for the series involved a crossover clash between the Avengers and the Defenders. So hero team versus hero team. So it's really nice for WizKids to include factoids like this. Okay, I have not been born yet during the 1970s, so I'm not too aware of storylines during this particular decade of Marvel Comics. Okay, but for sure, Captain America being the leader at times of the Avengers, and definitely its moral compass played a significant role in the story. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the Play at Home kit. Let's open the Play at Home kit carefully, because it's always nice to keep boxes like this, especially those with window display. Okay, so we have the figure. Let's pop him up. And this is such a nice pose for Captain America, an action pose. You can see he is crouching and then about to throw his shield, I guess, or charge into someone from a higher elevation. Okay, so nice sculpt. And let's see what we got. Okay, we have let's open. This is the map. So we'll probably just take a picture of the map and include it in this video. This should be a 16 by 16 map, I would assume, or a smaller map. Yeah, it is a smaller map. And we have here the shield holding facility indoor on one side, and on the other side we have the Avengers Tower outdoor map. Okay, so I personally prefer outdoor maps more than indoor maps, okay, because it's less complicated in terms of blocking line of fire. And we don't seem to have the character cards. Let's see. Ah, there you go. So it's left in the box. Okay, so let's look at the other content first. We have here a bunch of terrains for Captain America. Okay, we have some billy clubs. We have a grenade. We have an elevated terrain. Okay, 1x2 elevated. We have a fence hindering terrain. Another set of billy clubs and grenade. And we have a couple more hindering terrain. So no special terrain, meaning these are special terrain, but your typical terrains. Okay, and let's go back now to the main event. The figure and of course the legacy should also be here. Let's take a look at the legacy card first. Oh, there is a special terrain. The special terrain is the steel mesh fencing. Let's take it up. Okay. So steel mesh fencing. So the effect, character in this terrain squares can use energy shield deflection. Wow. So this is an interesting special terrain, granting energy shield, and at the same time, since it's hindering, it also grants +1. Is that the case? Or it might grant stealth, meaning it prevents those with stealth to be targeted, of course. But I'm wondering whether the plus in the defense will be +2 energy shield deflection or +3 because energy shield and hindering. My sense is it's only +2 because that's the special effect of this particular terrain. Okay, I have to verify that online. You can also share in the comments of the correct ruling for this special steel mesh fencing terrain. Okay, interesting. So this is a good addition to the current play-at-home kits. Okay, that some terrains have special effects and cards that would mention their special effects. So adds a bit of complexity and depth to the terrains. Okay, so really proving how critical terrains can be in your force building. Okay, let's go to the legacy card. The legacy card is also Captain America. Okay, so Captain America from what set is this? The Captain America set number 40, released 2011. So has the keywords Avengers, Defenders, Howling Commandos, Invaders, Past, and Soldier. Okay, I think they missed a comma there. It should have been Past, comma, Soldier, not Past Soldier. So he has a trait, Captain America Shield. Captain America begins the game with a shield token. When he has a shield token, modify Captain America's combat values +1. Okay, that's good. Free, remove the shield token from Captain America and place it in a square within 4 squares and line of fire. At the beginning of your next turn, return the shield token to Captain America. Place it in a square within 4 range and line of fire. Why would you place it? What's the benefit? Maybe it's attacking it. I don't know. So let's see. There's a second trait, Flurry, Giant Reach 2. When Captain America makes a close attack, he may target opposing characters as if he occupied the square the shield token occupies. I see. So it's 4. You can place it within 4. And then Giant Reach 2, that makes it from that particular square plus 2. So 6. And then you can do a flurry. Okay. So he has the Avengers and the Defenders team ability. And we all know the real name, Steve Rogers. Interesting. For 50 points, I think he has potential. Okay. So I don't think anyone can pick up the token. So at least that's safe. Okay. And you can, of course, equip him further to boost his powers and capabilities. So I don't have this legacy figure, but this is a good figure in my opinion. Okay, and finally, the man of the hour, Captain America, set number 100, Avengers past and soldier keywords. First trait is the leading the charge, leadership, willpower. When Captain America uses either power to remove an action token from a friendly character after resolutions, choose one, heal that character one click, or remove an additional token from that character. That does not trigger this trait. Okay, so meaning you can only heal once. If you choose to heal with a successful leadership and willpower. So in a sense, you get double rolls for healing character or removing a token from a friendly character. Okay. Okay, so that character has to be adjacent, of course, because of leadership. Okay. I'm just wondering because willpower does not remove action token, but I guess for this particular Captain America it does. What do you think, guys? So second trait is listen up, Avengers. When friendly characters with Avengers keyword that have no action tokens have safeguard outwit. Okay, and that's really a strong trait. Captain America Comics, number 1, 1940 is the significant appearance. Steve Rogers is the guy. Okay, so that's it for our first fan pack for Avengers 60th anniversary. Thank you very much for watching these videos. And let's go to fan fact number 2 coming right up. Bye bye.